This video explains how to buy shares of Eenergy Group Plc and shows the practical steps to find EAAS.L on the LSE PLC. Eenergy Group operates in the energy sector with projects in power generation and infrastructure. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EAAS.L to locate the listing. Ensure you select Eenergy Group Plc on the London Stock Exchange to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart and make sure the name and EAAS.L ticker match the company you intend to buy. This confirms it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed as a pending order when trading reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Your new position will show in your portfolio once the order executes or is placed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.